How to create the list in HTML? There are two types of list: unordered list and order list, and definition list. There are three types of list and definition list. Unordered list. An unordered list start with an UL tag. Each list item start with the li tag. The list item will be marked with the bullets, a small black circle by default. Example: when you write UL li coffee, that means UL is unordered list and li is the list of unordered list. Here you write a coffee, tea and milk. Order list. An order list is a start with a OL tag. Each list item start with the li tag. The list item will be marked with numbers by default. Example: OL li like coffee, tea and milk. So you will get a number here. There you will get a symbol. In unordered list you will get symbol, and in order list you will get number with a option. Then third is a definite description list. Here you have to use a description list, the list of term with a description of each term. The DL tag defines the description list and DT tag defines the term name, and the DD tag describes the each term. Example: DL DT coffee, DD black hot drink. It is a black hot drink. So DD is defined the DT. DT is the data term and DD is the definition. Then milk, it is a white cold drink. So you define this. This way when you define the tag, then when you preview it, then you will get this type of output. Unordered list is its description, and then option with ... and then order list. Here you will get number 1, 2, 3, and the description list you will get the heading coffee and its description is black hot drink and milk is white cold drink. So this way you can create the list three type. You can also create the nested list, and that means if you write the CPU, then it has a 4 parts, then you can define it. How you can do it, I will tell you. Before body you have to write the list. So here take the list, order list. Suppose here you write a CPU and close it. Then you have to create the nested list. So press tab key and write control unit, and before that you have to write order list because you are starting another list. Control unit, then logical unit, and here you have to write li and li, and then again li and memory. Suppose this is a part of a CPU and you have to write in list, in nested list, so you can write this way. Now see in browser, you will get the output. Look at there: CPU, control unit, logical unit and memory. This way you can make a sublist. So This is the list portion. Now I will teach you the image. How to align the images in save it and come out, then open image. Image alignment. There are four types of alignment of image: left, right, center. Three type of alignment: left, right, and center. When you insert an image and you set P paragraph within a paragraph, align right. This way you can align image on right hand side of the paragraph. Here you have to specify the image path, its width, its height, its border, or its alignment. In alter you can write try again. That means you are not getting the path of that image, so you have to search out the path and set in a place and then again run it. Now you run it, you will get the right hand side object of within a paragraph. Now you have to set the image on center. So you have to write with here paragraph align center and then write the image path and its attributes height, border, width, and then text which you have to show with a paragraph in a paragraph, and then control B. Here you will get the center image which is aligned in center in paragraph. Then again you have to find out the image on left of your paragraph. So again you write align left image source, which is a user in my laptop. This is this path, and then height, border, try again align left. So when you press Ctrl V, then you will get the image on left hand side. Then now you want the image on both sides. For that you have to write image on left, this within a paragraph, then BR, then image source without any information, then again within a paragraph you have to write the image source, user SUS, all the attributes, and then paragraph, then close the paragraph. When you do this and write the text that much, here I have given horizontal space and vertical space. These space will show in your output around the picture, so the text will come far away from picture. And let's see, here you will get the space around the picture and text between the two pictures. Now how you insert the text in Edit Plus? It is very easy than any other software. You have to just uh, you have to just press this one and It will take the image and height and border. Then you press Ctrl B, you will get the image. It's set absolute relative image taking in a from folder. So here you take another image. Suppose you want this one, open, then you will get image. Here you write try again and press Ctrl B. You will get the image, this one. Now you haven't set the width and height, so it is taking the original height and width of that image. So here you set small size of the image. Suppose you make it 4 and you make it 5 or more small. Then you will get a small image. This is a wrong proportion. So here you have to make it 2 and here you have to make it 3. Make it 2. Width is 218 and height is 320. Then Control B. Now you will get a proper image. If you want it into center, then you can make it center. Here you have to write align center, then Control B. It's not taking because it is not within the paragraph. So right here, Control X, and here you write P, then Control V, then here you have to write close your paragraph, and within that you can write center. Now Control B, you will get the image in center. Okay, this way you can create your image alignment and work. So today I am closing it because if I teach more, then you will forget all the other things, and you could not able. If you want to make it left and right, you again try it. Control come here, in place of center you can write Control C, Control V, as I previously tell you. Right, left, here you write left, then you copy it into next. Again here you have to write RIGST, right, and here you write RIGST, right, and Control B, and you will get picture left, center and right. This way you can set the image with a paragraph left, right, and when you make a project then you require it, and it is very useful trick, so please use it. And if you like today my lecture, then please subscribe and share to others. Thank you, viewers.